Good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Manu Sir's Institute. Today I am going to start exercise 7.2. From the introduction I will start the exercise, then we will continue our exercise by solving the questions. Okay. Before this I taught you exercise 7.1. You can click to the I button to see those videos which I have explained you. Okay. So we will start the exercise then. In this exercise one formula will be used. It is called as section formula or internal division formula. Okay, so what is this formula all about? Suppose a line is there AB and it is divided means cut. Suppose this is cut into two parts and it is not equally cut, you can able to see because this is a smaller part and this is a bigger part. Okay, so it has been cut into two parts. Suppose I will name it as O. Okay, the division point is named as O. First point I will take as x1 y1, second point I will take as x2 y2, and the division point, the point of dividing the line segment, I will take as x comma y. Okay, and this line has been divided in the ratio m/n. Okay, suppose this line is of 5 centimeter, we will assume that this is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. So how to find out the division point? We have the starting point and ending point, the last point, but we don't have the point by which the line has been divided. So to find the coordinates of this point, that is O, there is a formula, that is x equals to m into x2 plus n into x1. Okay, m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. Okay, to find the coordinate of x, this formula will be used. It is called as section formula or internal division formula. Internal division means this line has been divided internally from inside the line. Okay, to calculate the coordinates of y, m y2, that is m into second coordinate, plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the value of y. Okay, so any line is divided with the ratio n, so any line is divided in the ratio m ratio n, and we have to find the coordinate of that point, dividing point, then this formula will be used. Okay, so we will use this formula to solve a question so that you will be able to understand how to use this formula properly. So I am giving one example to you. So in this example the question is given, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining point this and this. Suppose this is a line segment AB, okay, and it has been divided from the point O. Okay, and the coordinate of A are 4 comma minus 3 and coordinate of B are 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Okay, in the ratio 3:1 internally. So the ratio, suppose this much part is 3 and this much part left is 1. Okay, so 3:1. Just look at here, find the coordinates of the point. The coordinate of this point we have to find out, that is x comma y. Remember one thing, most important thing is always you take the first coordinate as x1 y1 and the last coordinate as x2 y2. Never interchange the values of the coordinates. Okay, the first coordinate will be always x1 y1 and the last coordinate will be x2 y2 and the dividing coordinate will be xy. According to this only you can able to solve any question, and the ratio is m ratio n. Okay, now we will solve the question. So the formula which I had given you, x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. This is the formula to calculate the value of x. Okay, now what is the value of m? You can see value of m is 3. What is the value of x2? x2 is 8. Just substitute the value along with the formula. What is the value of n? n is 1. What is the value of x1? x1 is 4. Okay, by m plus n, that is 3 plus 1. Okay, now multiply. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 1s are 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. 24 plus 4 is 28 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 7s are 7 by 1 or just 7. So the value of x we got 7. Now we will find out the value of y. Okay, so the formula of y is same as x, but in place of x we will write y. my2 plus ny1 by divided by m plus n. Okay, now we will substitute the value. M is 3, y2 is 5, just write here. N is 1, y1 is minus 3. Write all the x and y terms inside the bracket so that you can multiply the negative signs. And m plus n, that is 3 plus 1. 5 3s are 15, minus plus minus, 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, equals to 15 minus 3 is 12 by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 by 1 or just 3. So the coordinates of O are, so the coordinates of O equals to x comma y is, x how much we got 7 and y how much we got 3. So 7 comma 3 is the coordinate of x comma y. Okay, in this way we can use the formula in a very simple way to find the value of the dividing coordinate. Okay, so after the section formula and the use of the section formula with the example, one more formula which we have to discuss is midpoint formula. Midpoint means you have understood that the center of any line, suppose a line is there, A and B, and it has been bisected equally. Okay, it has been divided equally from the center. That means this part is equal to this part. So we can say that O is the midpoint of AB, or O is in the center of AB. Okay, so the first coordinate will be taken as x1 y1, last coordinate will be taken as x2 y2, and the midpoint will be taken as x and y. Always you will denote the coordinates in this way so that it will be easier to solve. So the midpoint formula for this will be is x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so the midpoint formula will be taken as x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. In this, by using this formula you can find out the midpoint of any line segment. Okay, by using this formula you can find out the midpoint of any line segment. No need of using the section formula wherever midpoint word will be used. Okay, so with this we have completed our basic things, formulas. Now we can start the exercise by using these formulas. So in this exercise the first question is given, find the coordinates of the point which divides the joining of this and this coordinate in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so first of all I will just draw a small diagram. A line segment I have drawn, we will name it as AB. Okay, and suppose it has been bisected here somewhere with the ratio 2:3. Okay, and the first coordinate is -1, 7 and the last coordinate is 4, -3. We have to find the coordinates of the point which divides the line. Okay, this line has been divided by point O. Okay, so the coordinate of O are x, y. And I told you already that the first coordinate always we will take it as x1 y1 and the last coordinate we will take it as x2 y2 and the ratio will be m/n. Okay, so now we will find the value of x by using the formula section formula, that is x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay, what is the value of m? M equals to 2, x2 is 4, so 2 into 4 plus n is 3, x1 is -1. Okay, right inside the bracket, divided by 2 plus 3 equals to 4 2s are 8, plus minus minus, 3 1s are 3, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So the coordinate of, so the point of x is 1. Now for y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. M is how much? M is 2, y2 is -3 plus n is 3, y1 is 7. Okay, divided by 2 plus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 6 plus 3 is 3 7 ja 21 divided by 5. 21 minus 6 is 15 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So the value of y equals to 3. Okay, so the value of y equals to 3. That means the coordinate of O are 1 comma 3. Okay, so the coordinates of O are 1 comma 3. This is our answer. Okay, next question. In question number 2 it is given, find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Okay, this is a new word for you. Trisection of the line segment joining this and this. Okay, first of all I will draw a line segment and we will name it as A comma B. Okay, now what is the coordinate of A? A is 4 comma minus 1, and what is the coordinate of B? minus 2 comma minus 3. Now what is the meaning of trisection? Trisection means this line has been divided into 3 parts. Okay, so we will divide it equally 1 2 and 3. This part is the first part, second part and third part. So all the 3 parts are divided equally. Trisection means the whole line segment has been divided equally in 3 parts. Okay, and we have to find out the coordinates of this point and this point. So suppose I will name it as P and this point I will name it as Q. Okay, what is the coordinate of P? P we will take it as x comma y. I am not going to ask you anything about Q now. Okay, first of all we will find out the values of P, then we will go for Q. As I said, this line has been divided equally 3 parts. Okay, so suppose I will take it as one part. So these 2 will become 2 parts. Okay, this portion is 1 part and this portion is 2 parts. Okay, so the ratio is 1:2. Getting? Point of P is dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:2 because this is only 1 part and this has been 2 parts taken. Okay, so the coordinates of P will be, we will use the section formula, that is x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay, what is m? M is 1. What is x2? We will just write the coordinates here, x1 y1, x2 y2 and m ratio n. Okay, now 1 into minus 2, x2 is minus 2 plus 2 into, that is n into x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2, that is m plus n. 1 minus 2 is minus 2, 4 2s are 8 divided by 3. 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3 is 2. 3 1s are 3 2s are 2s are 6. So 2. This is the coordinate of x. This is the value of x. Now for y. Y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. M is 1, y2 is minus 3 plus n is 2, y1 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. This is minus 3, this is minus 2 by 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus minus plus, minus 5 by 3. Now we will find out the coordinate of Q. Okay, because this line has been trisected into 3 parts. P coordinates we got 2 and minus 5 by 3. So just once again I have drawn the line and we will name it AB. It has been trisected from the point P and Q. Okay, A coordinates are 4 comma minus 1 and B coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 3. Already we got the coordinate of P, so no need to find out. The coordinate of Q will be x comma y. And the ratio will be, this is 2 part, this is 1 part. So the ratio will be 2:1. Okay, 2:1. So, as this point is x1 y1 and this point is x2 y2. Okay, so the formula is x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay, m is 2 into x2 is minus 2 plus n is 1, x1 is 4 by 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4, that is minus 4 plus 4 1s are 4. divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 by 3 is 0. So the value of x is 0. Now the value of y equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. M is 2. 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay. Now 2 minus 3 is minus 6. Minus plus minus minus 1 by 3. Minus minus plus, so minus 7 by 3. This is the value of y. Minus 7 by 3 is the value of y. So the coordinates of q are 0 comma minus 7 by 3, and the coordinates of p was 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Okay, so in this way we can find out the coordinates of the line trisection. Okay, if any line is trisected, in this way we can able to find out the two more coordinates of the trisecting line. Okay, next question. Now question number 3. In question number 3 it is given there is a rectangular field where sports day has been conducted. Okay, and on the vertical line there are flower pots kept at a distance of 1 meter each. They are 1 meter each apart, and 100 flower pots has been kept on this line. Okay, and there are 10 lines has been drawn here. You can see this diagram in your textbook so that you can able to understand what the proper question is given. Okay, and here it is asked that Niharika runs 1/4. Okay, Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. Okay, this is AD. Niharika runs the distance AD of the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 the distance of AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So I have just drawn a rough diagram here to explain you from this that there are 8 lines has been drawn. Niharika runs on the second line and Preet is running on the 8th line. Okay, and there are flower pots kept on this line. Total of 100 flower pots. Okay, now what is the coordinate of Niharika? First of all, we will find out the coordinate of Niharika. Okay, and it is given that she is running on the second line and she has reached up to 1/4 of this line AD. So 1/4 of AD is 1/4 into of means multiplication. AD means how many flower pots are kept on this line? There are 100 flower pots has been kept on this line. So she has ran up to 1/4 of the line. 1/4 of 100 means she has crossed about 24 flower pots and she is nearly reached by 25th flower pot on the vertical line, and she is running by the second position of this horizontal line. So her coordinates will be x-axis is 2 and y-axis is she has just reached to 25th. That means 2 comma 25 is her coordinate where she is just now. Okay, now the coordinates of Preet. Coordinates of Preet will be she crossed 1/5 of AD. Okay, she has crossed 1/5 of AD. So 15 into 100 will cancel it 20. So her coordinates will be 8 comma 20. 8 is from x-axis because she is running on the 8th line and she has completed and she has crossed 20 pots from y-axis. Okay, so the coordinates of Preet will be 8 comma 20. Now we have to find out the distance between them. Okay, we have to find out the distance between them. So we will use the distance formula. That is, suppose we will suppose we will name it as A and B. So the distance between AB will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root. Okay, and x2 is 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square root. 8 minus 2 is 6 square, 20 minus 25 is minus 5 square root. 6 6 is 36 plus 25 plus 5 5 is 25. Okay, so the distance between AB is 61. Okay, square root of 61. Okay, now the question further it is given that Rasmi has to post a blue flag in between AB, that means exactly in the middle of AB. So as I already told you that whenever there will be given a question that AB is bisected equally or it has been bisected from the middle, so in those cases we will use midpoint formula. Okay, so the midpoint of AB will be O, that is x comma y. Here Rasmi has to post the flag, so we have to find out the coordinate of O. Okay, so the midpoint of AB is x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Now x equals to 2 plus 8 by 2 and y equals to 25 plus 20 by 2. Okay, 2 plus 8 is 10 by 2, that is 5. So x is 5 and y is 25 plus 20 is 45 by 2, that is 22.5. So Rasmi has to post the blue flag at 5, 22.5 coordinate. Okay, so the coordinate of the midpoint of AB is 5, 22.5. Here Rasmi has to post the blue flag which will be halfway between Niharika and Preet. Okay, so in this way we can able to solve this question. Thank you all of you. I hope you might have understood all the things whatever I have explained. If you have any queries or doubt, you can ask me in my comment box. Please subscribe my channel.